want to share a little bit about life here in Europe and why it's worth working hard for. Lagi nating pangarapin na mapabuti ang buhay natin. Pero alam nyo, kung dreams lang hindi sapat, kailangan din ng hard work, dedication, at kung pwede side hustle o extra income para mas marami kang options sa buhay. Dito sa Europe, kapag masipag ka at maayos ang priorities mo, grabe, ang dami mong pwedeng ma-experience. Pwede kang gumala after work, kumain ng kahit anong gusto mo, at mag-relax sa mga cafe o streets na parang nasa postcard ang vibe. Ang charm at iba talaga. At hindi lang yan, travel goals din possible. With just one exchange and visa, pwede kang pumunta sa iba't ibang bansa. Italy today, France tomorrow, Spain next weekend. Every corner feels like a new adventure. Ang saya ng bawat trip, bawat lugar may unique na history at culture na pwede mong ma-discover. Ang sikreto dito, combination ng hard work, dedication, at smart planning. Kung may side hustle ka pa, mas mabilis mong ma-achieve yung dream lifestyle mo. Hindi madali pero possible talaga. Kaya wag matakot mangarap, magsikap. Dahil kapag pinagtagbo mo ang passion, effort at extra income, ang life na dati mong pangarap, mararanasan mo na. Europe isn't just beautiful, it's motivating every day, every street, every trips remind you na worth it ang effort mo. So, start today, plan, work hard, invest in yourself, explore opportunities, and someday mararanasan mo din lahat ng to. Thanks for watching!